shift, shift, shift. Emergency leave, emergency leave, emergency leave. Leave policy, leave policy, leave policy. Comp time, comp time, comp time. Sabbatical, sabbatical, sabbatical. Shift. For example, she's working the night shift this week. Emergency leave. For example, I have to take an emergency leave due to a family member being hospitalized. Leave policy. For example, please review the company's leave policy in the employee handbook. Comp time. For example, I'll take comp time for the extra hours I worked last week. Sabbatical. For example, he is taking a sabbatical to focus on research.